Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 22nd of October. And first of all, national news. Countdown begin on Friday night for ISRO's 36th satellite launch on heaviest rocket. Haryana declared holiday on Bhai Dooj for all schools in state. New Omicron variant is immune evasive, WHO chief scientist said. SpiceJet to operate at full capacity from October 30, restrictions lifted. At village bordering China, PM Modi appealed to all tourists in the country to spend at least 5% of their travel budget on buying local products. Cervical cancer vaccine to be launched in India next year, Adar Poonawala. India successfully fires new generation Agni Prime ballistic missile. Congress boycotted mayor elections of Jammu Civic Party. PM Modi in Kedarnath laid foundation for mega ropeway project. Odisha Bengal brace for possible cyclone, start mobilizing resources. Varanasi court to hear plea seeking survey of basements in Gyanvapi Mosque. And now international news. Rishi Sunak, Boris Johnson lead race to be UK's next Prime Minister. 7 Chinese nationals charged by US over forced repatriation campaign. Former Pakistan PM Imran Khan facing politics ban over gifts case. US plan security review of Elon Musk $44 billion Twitter deal, a report said. Royal Mint released Harry Potter themed coins to celebrate 25 years of the series. Ukraine accused Russia of planning to destroy Hydro Dam. Iranian troops in Crimea helping Russia war on Ukraine, US. New York City declared Diwali a school holiday from next year. Russia turning Ukraine power grid into new battleground, Zelensky to EU. Putin martial law showed Ukrainians didn't want to join Russia, US. And now some sports news. T20 World Cup. Zimbabwe thrashed Scotland by 5 wickets to book place in Super 12s. Ronaldo refused to come on as substitute, Manchester United boss Ten Hag. France stalwart Frank Ribery announced retirement from football. 2-time champions India look to reclaim Sultan of Johor Cup hockey title. Denmark Open. Lakshya Sen beats HS Pranoy to enter quarter-finals. And US Grandmaster Hans Niemann sues chess champion Magnus Carlsen over cheating charges. Now news related to business. Sensex rise over 100 points to extend gains for 6th straight day and defy global gloom. Rupee flat at 82.75 a dollar as RBI steps in to limit any sharp losses. Boosted by Centre's initiative, defense-related stocks trade higher. SBI Life Insurance recorded 53% jump in Q2 profit as premiums rise. Forex reserve declined $4.5 billion to over 2-year low after brief halt. Adani Group owned Ambuja Cement's profit nearly halves in Q2. IDBI Bank net profit jumped 46% to Rs 828 crore in September quarter. Hindustan Unilever reported 22% rise in Q2 profit to Rs 2,670 crore. News related to science and technology. NASA IIT Madras researchers studied microbes on ISS to understand risk associated with space travel. Facebook added feature to remove misinformation from groups. Most stars may have much more time to form planets than previously thought. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.